How to add staff on your Shopify store. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to add staff on your Shopify store. So, first of all, log into your Shopify account and open your store dashboard. Once you are in, from the bottom left side, click on Settings. A new tab will pop up on the screen where you need to find and click on Users and Permissions. On the right side, you will see the POS app staff. Click on the Open button to move next. Within a few moments, the app will be open on the screen. From the left side, click on the Staff section to open. Here you will see all staff accounts already added to your store. To add a new one, click on Add Staff button. A new page will open on the screen, where you need to enter the staff's basic information like the first name and last name. Email address and phone number are optional, so you can skip them if you don't want to add. After filling in the details, from here, you can select what access you want to give to your staff. You can either allow full access or only choose limited permissions. Also, you can create a 4 to 6 digit PIN code for your staff to access point of sale. Once you are done, click on Save from the top of the page, and there you go. A new staff member has been successfully added with limited permissions, and that's it. This is how you can add staff on your Shopify store. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.